Alright, we got our randoms to do from the preferred 5-box half case break. First one up is the All World. This guy right here, All World. There you go. There's your teams. Mavs, Raptors, Spurs, Grizz, Magic, Bucks, Raptors again, and Jazz. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Going to the Spurs. All World Spurs. Alright, congratulations, Spurs. Next up is the rookie armpit variation. Cavs, Jazz, T-Wolves. Thank you, Kenny. Raptors, Cavs, and Wizards. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And that one's going to the Cavs. Winning. Playing percentages. Get 2 out of the 6. Or sorry, 2 out of the 7 end up winning. Rookie. JTYC 0919. 2 out of 6, yeah. 2 out of 6. Jeez, I can't even do math in my head. And finally, we got buckets. Kobe, LeBron, Pierce, Westbrook, Paul, Curry, and Harden on this one. Lakers, Heat, Celtics, Thunder, Clippers, Warriors, and Rockets. 1, 2, last one, good luck. 3. The Oklahoma City Thunder and Ed Reed gets the buckets. Alright, congratulations winners, and thanks again everybody for joining. Until next time, peace.